Greetings everyone through here. Welcome to the Demo Hub. In today's demo, we're going to take a look at a tool that helps with management and observability around your Snowflake platform. This is DWH.dev or DWH.dev. It's a pretty fascinating tool. It seems it helps with data lineage visualization of views, ETL pipelines, BI reports, and more. Fast and flexible data catalog, it says. Precise metadata catalog, secure setup, enterprise ready, plug and play, ready to go. So very fascinating. Snowflake does have a very capable UI for managing schemas and metadata. But then you also have tools like this that can plug into the metadata to do additional visualization, customization. So it seems like that's what the the dev is doing. And in today's demo, we're going to highlight this and take a look at the tool and orient around it. So there are options to log in as well as options to sign up by GitHub. I haven't signed up, but we're going to try the options that has been provided here. I'm guessing this is a demo account pointing to their own Snowflake instance. Here it shows a lineage demo. There are 19 tables, 14 views, 9 tasks, 1 report, 1 ETL, maybe some few issues. Let's open that up. And the UI does show relations. It shows the columns that are available and the tags associated with the columns. We can click on the column and drill down into it, and it does show the lineage. So let's go back into that view. Here is the catalog information. You can see the tasks that are all available, the pipes, the ETL pipelines, reports that might be associated with this. So let's click on report, and this is the associated report. Now, if we go back from the catalog, we can see the schema. This is pretty robust. So this is a visualization of the schemas in Snowflake. So I'm guessing it's pulling from the Snowflake metadata and doing the visualization. So there's a transaction fraud. You can see the table size currently unavailable for that feature, the date, as well as the creator and other modifications, and I'm sure some details. So it seems like this is still very early on, the product. What really fascinates me is, as somebody who is very, very in tune with Snowflake, is the lineage aspect. So here, if we go over to lineage, you can see, I don't know if this is all real data or if it's just mocked up for the sake of this demo, but here you can see an unknown source coming in. So how is it getting that data? Is somehow getting the unknown source, and you click on that, you can see the query. And that unknown source, I'm guessing, is coming from a stage, and it's creating a table, loading the data from that stage, creating some materialized views and all that. So everything happening in here seems to be being visualized in the query below. So let's open that up to get more real estate. You can see all your queries below. Now, I'm not sure how this visualization came about, if you connected to Snowflake and it crawled this, or if you have to copy and paste it in here. I don't think this is editable. So I'm guessing it crawled the Snowflake metadata to make this available. If we make a change on, let's say, transaction fraud low, here you can see all the dependencies associated with that you have to go in and change. So if you're going to come in here and change this table or view, I'm not sure what this is. Let's see the DTL. All right, so you can see the DTL for that. If I click on this, so let's pick on this. If you're going to make a change here, you can see the DTL that created this statement. Now you know that you have to go in and make some changes here, because there's a dependency. And if you're making a change here, now you have to make a change here and here. And so really having a dependency graph is usually very handy for development purposes. To the right here, there is a task. Tasks are very powerful features within Snowflake. Task is a directed acyclic graph that can be executed. You can see the task and the dependencies, so the lineage for that task. And here is a root task and another root task. So again, I haven't tried this out with my actual Snowflake account that has the data I know. So I'm not exactly sure on the validity of this visualization, but it definitely seems pretty fascinating. Let's go into configurations. It seems like there's a couple more configurations coming. I'm guessing I'm doing this demo very early on. This came to my radar, and maybe the team is actively developing on this. But this is something just wanted to highlight as a tool in the modern data space. If you're using this product and it's relevant to you, let us know in the comment section below, and share your thoughts, share your feedbacks on this. Is this something you've used? Is this use case something relevant to you? I, for one, do know Lineage is something that is definitely relevant for teams as far as speeding up development is concerned and having robust catalogs too. There are tons and tons of players in this space from a catalog perspective. And the whole governance and observability space is also very huge. So definitely check it out. From a pricing perspective, I'm not entirely sure the pricing model around this. I think they do have sign up or some privacy again, which will be something to consider. Where does this metadata live? Because having data about your data could be very sensitive. So making sure that that metadata is in good hands too is very relevant. And there are some testimonials here that people have put out. So there you have it, the DWH.dev, a utility or a product or a tool or a platform. Not really sure where to categorize this one, but helping with observability and managing infrastructure complexity. Specifically on Snowflake, I don't think they have any other RDBMSs leveraging this. So links to this, as always, will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. This has been Fru. I'll see you in our next demo.